Need to export only the sound from your Capcut project without exporting the full video? In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to export audio only in Capcut, including the best settings for clean, high-quality sound. Capcut makes it easy to edit videos, but a lot of people don't realize you can also export just the audio from your project. This is perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, music, TikTok sounds, YouTube narration, or backing tracks. Let's jump straight into it. First, open Capcut and load the project you want to export. Make sure your audio is fully edited before exporting. That includes your music, voiceovers, sound effects, audio transitions, and volume adjustments. Next, click the Export button in the top right corner if you're using Capcut Desktop. This opens the Export Settings menu. Inside the Export menu, look for the Audio Export option. Depending on your Capcut version, you may see options like Export Audio, Audio Only, or MP3 Export. Enable that option and disable Video Export if needed. Now choose your preferred audio format. Usually Capcut supports MP3 for smaller file sizes and WAV for higher quality audio. For most creators, MP3 works perfectly. If you're using the file for professional editing or music production, choose WAV. Once everything looks good, click Export and wait for Capcut to process the file. After the export finishes, your audio will be saved directly to your selected folder or device storage. Now you have an audio-only version of your Capcut project. Quick bonus tip. If your exported audio sounds low quality, make sure your original clips are high quality, your volume levels are balanced, and you might need to try exporting a WAV file instead of MP3. That will help keep your audio clean and professional. And that's it. That's how you export only the sound from a Capcut project. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Capcut editing tips and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching.